Okay, so we got this quick set, just a doorknob, and right now it operates with this key, and we're going to rekey it so it'll work with this key that right now won't operate it, so it'll match the other locks I've got around the house with that key. So first step is disassembling doorknob. There we go. And I'm gonna get the actual lock part out of the housing. Now a couple of taps that pops right out. Maybe shouldn't be so violent with it. Okay, and the next step is a little retainer clip. And we gotta take that off. So we got that popped off. And then for the actual rekeying part of this, you take the key that fits it and put it in and turn it a little bit. And we're just actually pushing the plug out of the lock. And you see there, those are the pins that are in it now that fit this key. And we don't really need these, so just dump them out and just set them aside. And now we need to take the key that we want to make fit, insert that. Over here, which you can't see, I've got my tray of pins, and I'm just going to take the pins, new pins, and load them in to the plug here. And 5 and a 4. Alright, and now I'm going to carefully insert the plug back into housing here. Okay, now that's in there. And make sure that it works. It should be able to turn the lock, and it can turn it. If I didn't put the right pins in, the key wouldn't be able to turn it. And so now we can take our key out. And now next step is to put the retainer pin, or retainer clip, I'm sorry, back on. And it just pops into place, and it doesn't quite go. Use your tool here, just make sure it snaps on. Alright, so that's snapped on there now. And so there's reassemble this once you get it in there right, it should just snap into place. There we go. And put our lock control back in all the way until it actually snaps into place. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's now snapped in. And we'll just make sure that it actually operates here. So right now it's locked, so this is the key that we just set up. Now that'll unlock it, so the lock will operate. As you can see, the actual plug turning, and then the old key that we just changed out will, it'll no longer operate the lock. And it's just rekeying a doorknob.